Welcome to Stay Fit. Hello everyone, in this video, I'm gonna talk about home remedies for cough. Coughing is a typical health issue. Natural cough cures can sometimes be as effective as pharmaceuticals. One of the most typical conditions for which people visit a doctor is a cough. Coughing is generally considered to be completely normal. A cough can assist remove debris, mucus, and other irritants from your throat. However, persistent coughing can also be a sign of a number of medical problems. These may consist of allergies, viral illness, bacterial contamination. Sometimes nothing related to your lungs is to blame for a cough. GERD or gastroesophageal reflux disease can also result in coughing. Here are a few at-home remedies to think about. Honey. 1 or 2 teaspoons of honey may reduce mucus production. Honey is also a germ killer, but keep in mind that it can botulism, a rare type of food poisoning in infants. Never administer it to a child under the age of 1. Hot drinks. Hot drinks won't ease a stuffy head, but they can soothe a cough much better than room temperature drinks. Sip on a hot tea or water if you're seeking relief. Drinking lots of water. Drinking lots of water not only soothes the scratch of a cough and keeps you hydrated, but it also thins the mucus in your throat. You're less likely to need to clear things out with a cough. Ginger. Research shows certain purified compounds inside ginger root can relax the muscles that tighten your airways. You can eat ginger raw, or you can mix ground ginger root with honey and stir into a tea. Cough drops. Medicated lozenges called cough drops are used to lubricate and calm sore throat tissues. Menthol, which some cough drops contain, acts as a numbing agent to lessen the urge to cough. Cough medicine that includes ginger or eucalyptus is also available. Turmeric. Curcumin, a substance found in turmeric, may be anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and antibacterial. Additionally, it might be helpful for a number of ailments, such as dry cough. Black pepper enhances the bloodstream absorption of curcumin. You can make a drink like cold orange juice by mixing 1 teaspoon of turmeric and teaspoon of black pepper together. It can also be brewed into a hot cup of tea. Gargle with salt water. A saltwater gargle is usually a sore throat remedy, but it's worth trying for coughs too. The extra moisture can thin mucus and help wash out things that irritate your throat, much like a saline rinse does for the nose. Mix 1/4 to 1/2 of salt into 8 ounces of warm water, tip your head back, gargle, and then spit the mixture out. Breathing in steam. Breathing in steam may help with coughing because it calms and moisturizes your airways. You can also add essential oils like peppermint to the water for extra comfort. Menthol. A compound naturally found in peppermint opens airways to help you breathe more easily. That means it can also keep coughs at bay. You can find menthol in rubs you spread across your chest, cough drops, and even in peppermint tea. If you like this kind of video, please consider subscribing. Thank you.